Hey guys, it's Eric Green, Tax Rep Network. So we posted yesterday an update on the IRS firings and how I thought that was going to play out. And I made a comment. I said, I don't understand why the IRS just doesn't license SmartVault. Um, and this way, I mean, no offense, as much as I'd like the post office to continue existing, if we can uh, cut that down. Well, I got a few emails from folks saying, "Can you explain, first of all, what's Smart Vault?" Which I'm a little surprised about, but okay. So Smart Vault is it's bank level security. It is a secure portal. So it's the way we share documents with people. I have been working with Smart Vault for a long time. I built out my own tax rep templates. If you sign up with Smart Vault, you can ask for them. They will share them with you for audits and IRS collection cases. So if you weren't aware of that, go sign up with Smart Vault. You just ask them for the tax rep templates. They'll give them to you. So what was I talking about? Well, first of all, Smart Vault, bank level security. It's one of the most secure programs there is. IRS, its security is a real issue. What I am talking about would be why can't now listen, because one of the other messages I said, well, Eric, Smart Vault sounds great, but people you mentioned don't have a computer or whatever. So look, as a tax professional, I would like to log into my Tax Pro account and check a box that says, don't send mail me correspondence. I want you to drop it into my Smart Vault, you know, um, account, and I want to get an alert when something new is in there, and I can just go download it. All right. I can download it, save it up to our document management system, share it with anyone internal in the firm that is working on that taxpayer's case, and basically just not have to pay for the envelope, pay for someone to mail it, pay for the post office. I alone, I bet we could save tens of thousands of dollars in postage and mailing just on me. I mean, I've got 240 or whatever open matters right now. So, what happens is a taxpayer comes, back into collection. I get one notice for every tax period. So if they owe 3 years of payroll tax, I'm getting 12 notices on those people. It's a lot. I mean, I know because we see the amount of paper that comes in. It's a lot of paper. And so the issue becomes why, for me, and again, there are going to be tax pros that don't want this, taxpayers this won't work for. That's fine. You can still mail to them. Let me elect in. I think they should literally, I think IRS, because of the security, they should license Smart Vault. They should, make sure that they can, that the systems work together. I don't know what they're going to do to, be able to download into that, but trust me, it's not that hard. And then literally so that the tax professional community know if you would like to opt out of paper mail, you can go in, make sure you have it set up, and you can check a box and elect to forego any mailed notices. Because here's the other thing, by the way. Um, they're also sending that whole set of notices to the taxpayer. So that, let's say 3 years of payroll taxes, it's not just 12 notices to Eric, it's 24 notices because the taxpayer is getting it. If there are two owners that are both responsible, it's 36 notices. It's ridiculous. It really is. So that was just an easy. I know I threw it in kind of as an afterthought, but I was a little surprised at all the messages saying, "Well, what did you mean?" That's what I mean. To me, that's one of those easy savings. I honestly think it improves things, and that's kind of where I was hoping this whole Doge IRS remake was going. I mean, I was, whether you like the guy or hate the guy, Elon Musk is a tech guy. I was kind of expecting or hoping they were going to come in and embrace the tech and say, yeah, we know Commissioner Werfel had this 5 year plan. Nah, on the 5 years, we're going to get this done in 18 months, or at least big parts of it, instead of just the hack and slash that we're seeing. So that's what I meant. Yes, I am a Smart Vault fan. No, I don't get paid if you go get it or not. So by all means, I'll put a link down below, which normally will indicate to them that you came in through tax rep. Again, we don't get paid on it for clarity, but you can get my templates if you want them. All right. And what these templates are is so when we send a link out to the client, I want, we were going to, we always mail the checklist and all that. Now, when they get the link, you go in there, and in my audit template, it has all the documents I want. So the client, right there, there's your checklist. Just go save the documents into those folders. It's also going to save my staff a ton of time from sorting it, scanning it, putting it together, and all the rest. So it tends to be a moneymaker. We save about 150,000 a year doing this. All right, in just time that no client really wants to get billed at our rates for sorting their documents, scanning their documents. Now, the truth is, it's not my problem. They gave paper documents. It's got to be done. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm still in lovely Miami. You can hear the planes overhead. Um, so that's it. On the IRS collections one for offers installment agreement, same thing. It's a template folder view of everything we need. So it saves a ton of time, saves us time, and time is money, right? So anyway, that's what I had commented on. If you're using SmartVault, if you've never heard of it, if this is interesting or not interesting, go into the comments below. Let me know, because I'm always happy to expound on this stuff if you guys want to hear about it. I'll also put a link down there for where you can go check out SmartVault if you're not using it already. But I do think that that's the kind of thing I was hoping where the new IRS was going to go. All right. I'm a little, now listen, it's only been a month, but I'm a little underwhelmed by their approach to this. I got to be honest. And frankly, as I pointed out in the video yesterday, I'm a bit concerned with how they're doing these layoffs and who they're letting go. But that's my opinion. Let me know your opinion. And listen, guys, if you do like the content we're doing, hit like and subscribe, share it with other people. Let's keep spreading the message out to accountants and lawyers and other people who are trying to help taxpayers. We all want to keep up on information and what's going on. So if you can like, subscribe, share this, we really appreciate it. All right.